All right. What's up, Christopher?
Now?
Go ahead, do your thing. Do your thing. All right. All right. No shoot. All right. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey. All right. Say Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas holidays.
All right. What you got? Penguins on your pajamas?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Carolyn's screaming in the background.
Apples on my head.
All right, guys. Say goodnight. Look at me. Look at the camera.
Christopher, you like the apples on my head?
Yeah.
Put you down.
Don't I do what? Turn around?
Hey, Merry Christmas to everybody at the school. Merry Christmas. These are my Christmas. Yeah.
All right, you're a tough guy. Tough guy.
Yeah, we are muscles.
Let me see your muscles.
Where's my apple?
Let me see your muscles.
I put them on
Cool.
your
Oh,
head.
wow. So strong. Nice.
Head.
All right, Christopher.
Yeah, these are muscles.
Merry Christmas.